Our team for this project will have to solve problem number 2, which asks us to calculate the area between f of x equals x times sine of x, the x-axis and the vertical lines of x equals negative pi and x equals positive pi. This area problem will be solved in 5 steps. In order to solve this problem, we had to use our prior knowledge, but we also had to investigate some things, like the area under a curve with respect to x and y-axis, the areas under a curve when the graph of the curve is cutting the axis between the lower and the higher limit, the areas between curves, and we also had to solve some exercises before in order to warm up to do our project.
Well, now I'm going to explain the problem. This is our problem, that is x times sine of x dx, and in this time x is equal to minus pi and pi. In order to solve this problem, we need to use the general formula, that is uv minus the integral of b times the du. So for this we're gonna take like two u's, or well, one u and one v. Our u is gonna be the first one, that is x. So our du is gonna be dx. Now we're going to take the v of sine of x, that is equal to minus cos of x is equal to x. And now we're going to apply the formula, that is this one. So we're going to is equal to x minus the integral of b, that is minus cos x dx. This gives us the integral that is sine of x plus c when is pi and minus pi. And now that we have the integral, we are going just to substitute the values. That is going to be c minus c. So now we are going to just order like the if it's negative or positive, and finally it's gonna give us plus 0. C. This is equal to 2 pi or 6.28, in order that pi is 3.14.
How do we know the graph is correct? Okay. First, because the graph touches the minus p, that is minus 3.14, and the positive p, 3.14. Also, because we check it in decimals and the graph is correct. In order to solve the problem, we needed to use the formula uv minus integral of b du, and after that we just substitute the values and our final answer is 2p. or the same as 6.28u to the square. And applications. There are many cases in real life in which we can apply these methods. The ones that use the more this kind of methods are the engineers or the financiers, because this makes their lives a lot easier, you know.